the 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. All of the following features are included: delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.